it's me, Kiylani.
That wasn't cute.
Hey guys, it's me, Kiylani, and I'm back with another video. Thanks for tuning in, and if you're new, welcome. Hi, I'm Kiylani. If you want to know how I got this flawless install, baby, and I'm not a professional, but if you want to know how I achieved this look, y'all stick with me, tune in, and watch the whole video, period. It might be a step that you might be missing in your life, okay? You might be missing it. You might be listening. Y'all tune in. Okay, you guys, so I already put my ball cap on. I feel like if you guys want to see how I did it, which I learned a technique from somebody else, if you want to see how I did my ball cap, I could do another video for you guys, but I already put it on. Comment down below and let me know. I'm just cutting off all the pieces off the cap so it can give me more of a ball cap effect. So yeah, I'm so loving it. I never had a ball cap come out this good. So the back, don't worry about the back because, well, I don't worry about the back because it's the back, and I'm not a hairstylist, y'all. I'm actually going through everything with you guys, so I'm watching the video as I go. Okay, so she said go in with a foundation that's a little bit darker than my shade, but me, I'm gonna use lace tint. Oh, this is the wig that I'm gonna be installing. So I cut the lace off the back. Put it back on my mannequin. I am so excited because y'all don't understand. I was waiting to take no twists out my head. I was so, that look a little ashy to me. That's medium brown. Caramel, dark brown. Okay, I'm thinking I'm gonna use the dark brown because I want it to blend with my skin as possible, as good as possible. So let me put it on my hand. Okay, I feel like I don't want to mess up. So this one is bow hold also. This one is in dark brown, which I feel like I'm gonna like much more better. Yes, dark brown is for me. Dark brown is for me. Okay, so I'm gonna put up the light brown because no, honey, I can't. And I'm gonna spray my cap with the dark brown tint. As you can see, that one almost caught me in my eye. So I'm gonna kind of let that dry, and it's not done drying, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it inside the lace also. Mind you, this lace isn't plucked at all. It's not plucked. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray some inside the lace. So this is all dried. As you can see, my wig has color in it, more color than it already is. It's like a, I think the wig is called rainbow gray, something like that, or silver, rainbow silver. So since that's done, mine is a little damp, but I'm gonna go ahead and still add makeup because I want my ball cap to look as seamless as possible. I don't want nobody to know there is a ball cap under there. And you see that white line around it, which you probably can't really tell, but I can tell. I'm gonna go ahead and douse some makeup around it. And then of course you have to clean your skin off after you do so, but I'm just gonna put like the bare minimum, the bare. But I feel like that looks much better. Much better. Okay, let's go ahead and continue watching her. And just create that ball cap look. Oh, and mind you, the person that I'm watching, which I'm gonna just tell you, her name is Ericka J. And I'm using all her products except the Bold Hope. I'm using majority of her products. I bought a lot of her products off her website, which is her own hair care, and it has so many good reviews, so that's what I'm using, and I'm actually using her method of how to do this. She has a lot of forehead space. I don't have that much forehead space, and if you can tell, my eyebrows is like really close to my hairline, so I have a low hairline. So when I'm doing this install and I'm putting the glue on, I have to be very careful not to go as close, not to go too close to my eyebrows. So if you're in the same predicament as me, don't worry, you can achieve this look. Hopefully I do good at it. Hopefully you like it. So let's continue doing it and continue watching. So she was fitting the cap, not the cap, the wig on her head, and she was fitting the wig on her head, trying to make sure she liked the placement. So here, I was just moving the wig around, moving the hair back so I can see what I'm doing. I got this. So, what we doing is, oh, this looks so good. I'm too happy. All right, let's see. This is perfect. Okay, so what I've seen in her other videos is her hot combing the hair just to see like what she's doing, just to get the hair out the way and stuff like that. So I'm gonna do that. Hopefully I don't burn myself because I haven't worked with a hot comb in a long time. I haven't, oh my gosh, I just hope I don't burn myself. But I feel like I got the placement of how I want it. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add 3 to 5 layers of her hold me down adhesive. That's what I used to do my ball cap method. Use 3 layers of the hold me down, and then I'm gonna basically blend it out or smooth it out. Use the blow dryer, and you're gonna repeat these steps 3 times. Make sure you're drying the glue until it's clear. You bring your wig down and place it where you want it to place the wig. As you see here, I'm combing and pressing the glue down into my scalp. Basically, I'm blow drying as I do so I could get a seamless look, and I'm just trying to melt it in as much as possible. I'm looking around, I'm drying, continue combing, trying to mush that lace into my scalp so I could get a seamless, you feel me? A seamless install. That hot comb is your best friend. So I hot comb my hair as much as possible, as much as I felt like I needed it, and it's just a good way to help me see what I'm doing more, just to get the hair out my way and just to see everything perfectly. So I'm gonna cut my lace in 3s. Is it in 3s? In 4s basically. And I'm gonna use a razor because you want to cut it in a jagged way, and I felt like the razor was the best way to give me that jagged look instead of a straight look with the scissors. So here in this clip, I'm just parting out my baby hair and using some foam just to hold back all the hairs that I don't want to be cut while I'm cutting my baby hair, and it just was helping me mold it in a certain way so it could get out my way. So here, I'm just plucking a little bit. I felt like the hairline of this wig was already good. It wasn't too thick, but I just went in and tweaked a little bit where I felt like I could pluck a little bit more. Clip, I'm just cutting my baby hairs. Don't cut your baby hairs too short because you don't want, when you're about to mold them with the mousse or whatever you use to mold your baby hair, you don't want them to be too short. So I cut them a little long, and then I went in with the scissors to take the stringy parts off. And basically when I put the mousse on my hair, you will see that as I'm molding my baby hairs, I will go in and cut anything extra that I would need. was very difficult because I had to sit there and play with my baby hairs as much as possible to my liking, because I don't like very long baby hairs. I don't like thick baby hairs. I like very soft baby hairs. So I was basically playing with my baby hairs for a little minute until I liked it, until I got the format of what I felt was a nice look for me. Okay guys, so I am back. I did my makeup. I kind of molded my hair, and I molded my hair with, okay, so most of the products that I did use is by Hair by Ericka J, or Hair by Ericka J, I believe. And I used her wax stick to kind of mold down my hair, and I used her foam to do my baby hairs. And what else did I use? I used some pink glosser, but I kind of messed it up, so I have to go back in and kind of fix it. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do right now. But I love it, y'all. I love it. It's so cute. Ah! It's so cute. Oh, and this headband is Hair by Ericka J also. Okay, so I wanted this soft baby hairs, so I'm gonna leave my baby hair how it is. I kind of combed it out. I'm just gonna kind of fix it, comb some hair down, clip some little hairs that I don't want. But I love it, y'all. And this is my first time trying a colored wig like this. First time. I'm gonna take my hot comb. Y'all, this burned the heck out of me earlier. To the point that Lonnie was like, "Mommy, let me see the burn." But good thing I didn't get myself too bad. I think it was the heat that got me. I think so. But be very careful when using a hot comb, y'all. I haven't used a hot comb in years. So I love it. I love my hair. I really do. It is so cute. So cute. I'm built. Don't mind me, y'all. I was just so sick of them twists. I was so sick of them twists. I could not wait to get them twists out my head. And I did purchase this wig from a warehouse here in Miami. And for my Miami girls, no, it ain't Subi. It's not Subi. But I did go there. I ain't get a wig from her, but I went. I ain't like what they had. I did like what they had. I'm gonna go back because it's something that I just need from Subi. Do y'all see my edges? Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? I did that. I look so cute. I love it. I'm in love with my hair, y'all. I was just in love with my hair. In love. I took a little bit of concealer and I did do my part. Now, I don't know what they call this wig, but I know the closure is from like hair to hair. So that's why I couldn't part my hair like deep. So that's why. So, you know, I had to do what it do. and like it's lace literally right there. That's all the lace that is in the front. That's it. So, and like I said again, my hairline, I have a very low hairline, so it's very close to my eyebrows. But shoot, if I could achieve a look like this, honey, you can too, okay? And shout out to all the girls with the big foreheads. Y'all blessed, honey. Y'all blessed. Because I really felt like I was gonna fail, but I don't feel that way no more. I don't feel that way. I don't feel that way. I feel cute. I feel refreshed. I feel like this is what I needed. This is what I needed, honey. This is what I needed. This is what I needed. I just love my hair. I don't know how. I don't know. I gotta keep telling y'all. I just love my hair. Don't you wanna dance with me? At first, y'all, I did not know how to style it, which way I wanted it to go. I did not know. And I used 3 layers of her glue. Let me show y'all her glue. I got the little bottle since it's my first time and I was testing it out, but she has this like big jumbo bottle, y'all. And when I tell y'all, once I do the test of wetting this hair and my lace don't lift, honey, I'm getting the big one, okay? That is gonna be the only glue I use, period. I don't know if y'all can see it. It look like this, y'all. I'm gonna leave her Instagram in the description below, okay? And y'all could go to her Instagram and y'all could see the link to her website and purchase anything you need, okay? It's still things that I still need off her website, but I got what I felt like I needed to accomplish a bomb look. Like, this is just bomb. This is everything. I'm so cute. I'm so cute. And y'all, get into the colors in the back. Get into the colors. Get into it, honey. Get into it. Y'all see the pink? Get into Get into it. Hello. What's your name? Sis. But I'm gonna wrap this video up. Thanks for watching. Guys, if I could do it, you can do it too. I hope my video was very informative. I hope it was easy, or I made an easy video for anybody that's attempting to try to put on the lace. Again, I am not professional, but you can't tell. I love this. I'm gonna stop rambling because I'm just gonna talk about how much I love my hair so much all day. But y'all, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell notification button. And if you're new, remember, subscribe.